when you are thinking about something, you are thinking about starting a particular business or whatever that you are dreaming of becoming, these are steps that will help you become or do or implement whatever that you wish to do. Whatever that you see in this world was once a dream. Okay, whatever that you see, whatever you meet in life was once a dream. You can look at something, you can look at a very happening business, a very happening company, and when you look at it, you say, this business is happening, this company is good and all that. Remember, don't look at the end results. Whatever that you are seeing right there was once a dream. The first thing that you need to do is to write down what you wish to achieve. When you are thinking about doing something, what really helps is to stick to what you are thinking about doing. When you want to do something, the first thing, write what you want to do. Once you write it down, it will help you cut all other unnecessary thinking, unnecessary plans. Okay. So writing down will help you not to be so confused about what you do and all that. The second one is write 5 solid reasons why you want to embark on that trip. Why do I want to do that? Write at least 5. When you write 5 reasons, this could be big enough to help you get motivated at a time where or when you see that your dream may be coming to an end. Okay? Because there are times where when you're trying to achieve anything in this life, any dream that you wish to achieve, there are times where it is going to challenge you. Okay? But when it challenges you and you feel like quitting, you must look back on the reasons why you embarked on that dream. There are so many reasons people can come up with. There are so many reasons that you can think about. Okay? Think about anything that will keep you motivated. Okay? Think about who is going to enjoy that dream. You see, once you attain that dream, who is going to enjoy that? Okay? Think about why would I want to embark on this? Okay? And when you think about that, there will be a time when you are going to need, you look back to why and how you started. So beginning is very, very important. The way you start, it is going to determine how far you are going to go. The reasons that you are going to list here will determine how far you are going to go. Listen, if you are thinking about doing something and you can't list at least 5 reasons why you want to do that, don't do it. Okay? Because if you start going, you'll be moving without any reasons why you want to do it. Okay? Sometimes it's bad to copy. Sometimes it's bad to copy. And sometimes it's good. But usually sometimes it's really bad to copy when you just look at, okay, let me do it also and all that. So think about why you want to do or why you want to pursue that goal or that dream. And when you list the 5 reasons, those 5 reasons, they'll keep you motivated. All right, so that's number 2. Let's go to number 3. Write down everything that you can imagine will be involved. Think about something. Imagine about just anything that you think this can be involved in pursuing what I want to pursue. Okay? Look at this. Whatever that you want to do, you must be so sure, you must be so certain about what is involved even before you start. For example, you want to start a company too big. Let me bring it small. You want to start a small shop. Okay? When you want to start a small shop, the question you must ask yourself, what exactly is involved in starting this? What exactly do I need to have for me to start this? Okay? So you should write anything possible that you can imagine you having. Okay? This is very, very important because as you start, then you're going to look, okay, this is what I need to have. Okay? And this can also tell you whether you can go ahead or you cannot go ahead. When you look at it, what is involved into that, understanding the scope of what you wish to do. Okay, it is very, very important, because if you do not know what is involved into that, you may start and you fail. Okay, because at first you never knew what was involved in whatever that you wanted to do. So for you to pursue any dream that you wish to pursue, you must first know what is involved in that. What do I need to have? I need to start a company. So how much capital do I need to have in this company? Okay, I need to open a shop. How much capital do I need? Okay, so how much do I need for my lands? How much do I need for electricity? How much do I need for this? Write down anything involved when you are starting to pursue any dream that you wish to pursue. You need to know what is involved in that dream. Okay, number four step that you need to consider in order to organize your dream before you start. Okay, number 4 is you should list down the current potential problems. Okay, list down the current potential problems that you might be facing right now. Okay, whatever that you want to do, think about the limitations that you have now. Okay, look at them, write them down. What problems are you facing? Okay, I want to start this. Let's say you want to open this shop, and your question is, what problems, what limitations do I have right now? Okay, once you've not identified a problem, it is very difficult for you to work on that problem. So the first thing that you need to do is to identify the problem. Once you identify the problem, then it is very easy for you to work on that. It will help you in determining what solutions can you offer to certain problems that you have at the beginning. Okay, so if you do not face them now as you are thinking about embarking on that dream, those problems will still come back in the future, and it will still be they will still be haunting you. So it's really, really very important to iron out the problems that you may be having now, so that it becomes easy for you to actually continue pursuing your dream. Okay, so that's number 4. Let's jump into number 5. And please, before we go to number 5, remember to follow me, remember to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to please like, comment, and share this video. If this is helpful to you, please, I would really like you to do that just for me. All right, so let's go to number 5. Number 5 is list down everyone that could possibly be involved in pursuing your dream. Write down somebody, write down anyone, write down everybody that you possibly feel this can help. Okay, this one is involved in this dream. Okay, for example, if you want to start a company, you've never done that before. Okay, and if at all, whatever that you want to do, somebody has already done that before, and you are in good terms with that person, and you feel they can be part of that dream, those guys, you need to actually write them down. Okay, you need to note them down. In my dream, this one can participate. Okay, this one also can participate. You write them down. Okay, for example, if you are thinking of starting an electronic shop, okay, if you are thinking of starting let's say you want to start dealing with gadgets, laptops, accessories, phone accessories, and laptop accessories, and all those things, who do you feel can be part of that? And of course, if you want to start that, I'm here. I can help you through. Okay, and I can become your consultant, and of course, doing that, we can talk. Okay, so if at all you wish to embark on that dream, and if you feel that there is somebody who can be part of this, remember, you don't know the prices of commodities yet. You don't know the prices of items you want to do, or the business you want to do. You don't know, let's say you don't know how much services you need to pay for. You don't know also the prices of items you may wish to buy if it's for a little shop. You also don't know some charges you might incur as you start these things. So if you have somebody in mind that you feel this one can be part of this stream, I can consult this one about this and this and this, write them down. Okay, so you should write them down, those you feel they can be part of your dream. Okay, so this one leads me to point number 6. Okay, point number 6 is creating your personal circle of counsel of your dreams. Okay, you create your circle of counsel. Now, every successful man you see, or every successful human being you see, they are good listeners. They listen. Okay, so now when we talk about a circle of counsel, these are the people that you can talk to about what you are doing, and they will still give you counsel. Okay, somebody might not be doing what you are doing, okay, but they are doing something different, but they are wise enough to counsel you. They are wise enough to give you advice. Okay, just certain things, before you do them, you need to have a circle of counsel. You know, people that you can go to and say, hey, let me look at this. How do you look at this? Okay, that is a circle of counsel, what I'm talking about. People that can advise positively on what you're embarking, on what you want to do. Okay, so as a business guy, as a dreamer, please, you need to have people, you need to have circle of counsel, people that can speak to you and people that can advise you on what you wish to do. And of course, you need to identify those people that are definitely and 100% happy and proud of you. Okay, so those can contribute positively to your life. All right, so let's go to point number 7. Point number 7 is define your personal reward for achieving that dream. Define your personal reward for achieving that dream. Okay? Before you can even start, think about this. Once I achieve this dream, what will be a reward for me? Your reward could be emotionally, physically, or any state of yourself. It could be financially. Okay, so when you look at your personal reward, that can also be, or that can also serve as a motivation to you. Okay, for example, if I do this business, if I pursue this dream, and this dream works out, I'll attain financial freedom. You look at that? So that's a reward that I need. The reward for my business is to attain financial reward. And at this point, be as honest as possible. Okay? Be as honest as possible to look at the rewards that you need. That will give you self-fulfillment after you achieve what you want to achieve. So think about that. Okay, when I achieve this dream, I'll be able to buy myself a fancy car. That's a reward to yourself. And whoever works hard, they deserve a reward. And that could be your reward. All right, fine. If I pursue this dream and it works out, I'll build a very nice house. That's a very good reward for yourself. If I pursue this dream and it works out, I'll build my mother a home. If I do this, you look at that, a personal reward. And before you could pursue that dream, make sure define that reward. If a dream you want to pursue has no reward, stop it, because you have no reason of working hard. You can work as hard as possible, but you must also think about how what you are going to do, how what you are planning, dreaming of becoming, dreaming of doing is going to be of beneficial, or is going to be how it is going to reward you as you achieve it. Okay, so that's number 7. Define your personal reward after achieving that dream. All right, now let me give you a bonus tip as well. Number 8. Okay, in this last one is study books. If you want your dream to be organized, study books. Begin to feed your mind with new information. Okay? No matter what state you are, but if you just jump into studying books, automatically your mind will begin to receive new information. You are going to think better. You are going to think new. Okay? So please make sure you study financial books. There are so many books that are exciting. Some books will give you self-confidence in what you're doing. Some books will give you financial discipline. Some books will give you a change of your thoughts, the way you look at things. So different books, when you are studying, they are going to begin to form a new thing within you. So please study books. Okay? So if you'd love to study some books, I'd love to recommend some books for you. Okay, like currently I'm studying a book, The Richest Man Ever Lived. Okay, study that book, and you might find even better points more than what I've just told you. Okay, that book is also nice. It will help you boost your confidence in yourself. It will help you boost your confidence in your business. It will help you also become a critical thinker. All right, so you can also study that book. You can also study Principles of Finance by Andrew. That is also a great book. It will help you. Okay, so there are so many books that you can study. Thank you so much for coming through, and thank you so much for watching this video. And please remember to subscribe to my channel. If you've not followed me on Facebook, remember to follow me, SIKA Electronics, on YouTube channel, SIKA Electronics, TikTok, everywhere I'm there. And you'll find me using my same name, SIKA Electronics. And make sure you subscribe, you follow, you comment, and share. And for now, please, bye-bye, stay tuned, and come back for better videos that are yet to come.